Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. I'm holding this up because Stitch Fix has a new logo. I don't know if you know that, but they rebranded themselves essentially. You notice it's different logo here, and this is actually an S and an F. Like if you watch the app, you'll see them draw this out and you can see the S and the F. And yeah, it's just the way they did their logo. And it's not very surprising. Even the company I work for kind of does something similar with their name. I think they all use the same marketing agency. So after my last fix, I was offered a quick turnaround fix. So I said, sure, why not? I have the style pass and let's see what you got. Now, I do have a list going on of things that I'm looking for to add to my wardrobe, and I'm really trying hard to stick to that list. So if you see me poo-poo over some of these things here, it's not because they're bad things. It's just that I really just don't need them, and I'm really trying hard to stick to what I do need. For those that don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service. You pay them a $20 fee, and they will curate a box of 5 items for you. I believe the initial preview can either be AI generated, stylist generator, or a mix of both. I think that this particular fix, because my stylist turned it around so quickly, and I know she has another job besides this, I think this probably was entirely AI styled for me, and then she just filled in the pieces. I selected 3 things for my preview, so you do get a preview. I selected 3 things, and then she chose 2 others. Let's see. All the items were for my wish list, so really there's nothing you can holler at me about. They were all things I put on my saved items list, so they were all chosen. Actually, one thing wasn't, but I actually picked it out from my preview because I said, oh yeah, sure, send it along. So basically, I'm part of the Style Pass, so I pay $49 a year and I can get unlimited fixes where shipping is going to be free both ways, and I don't have that styling fee at all. So for me, it makes sense to get as many as I want, and I can just keep sending them back and not purchase anything at all if I don't want to. And I have a feeling that's what's going to happen with this box. But I'll go through each item here. All right, the first thing that I said, send it along. It was not on my wish list, but it is something I like, and it was in my preview, so I said, send it along. These are by Liverpool. They're the straight leg Pintuck trouser in Indigo, size 0, $98. So I do like the Liverpool brand. I would like a pair of trouser jeans, right? My issue with this is the wash. Now, I really do like a dark wash, so it's nothing against a dark wash. But when I see things this dark and dyed, I get nervous about the color transferring. And I've already had to get rid of a pair of jeans. This was a while ago, and they'd be outdated anyway now. But it was like, when I was wearing them, there was nothing I can do to stop that bleeding. And they were from White House Black Market, so I had to donate them because they bled everywhere, no matter what. I even tried the vinegar rinse. So now I'm just very hesitant to buy any super dark wash jeans. But I will try these on. I probably won't get them. And they also look quite long, but we'll see what it looks like when they're on. These jeans are 62% cotton, 22% polyester, and 15% lyocell, and 1% elastane. And I have to tell you, with as much polyester in these pants, it's also something that isn't very interesting to me. I'm really trying to get away with that much polyester in jeans. I will take some polyester, but when it's that much, I'm not so sure. Because typically when you have that much polyester and elastane and everything, they don't always hold their shape. Cotton seems to do a better job with a little bit of elastane, but we'll see. They have the slide slash pockets and working back pockets back here. And you know, she said they say it's a straight, but to me this seems like a flare, doesn't it? You know? And of course it has the pin tucking, which I do like here in front. So again, I will try all these on for you, but it's really unlikely I'm going to keep them, mainly because of the wash. And again, $98. And these are not petite, and something tells me in this brand, I think in this particular style, I do need petite. Yeah, and they're calling it the straight leg, but I don't think this is straight. I think this is flare. All right, the next item that I chose from my list for my preview is this blouse. This is the Market and Spruce Johnnie Eyelet blouse in black, extra small, $45. So I did pick this up. Okay, one of the things that I first noticed, even though it says Market and Spruce, they have the label that says Mason and Bell. You know what? They're both Stitch Fix brands, but it just irks me that they don't be consistent with their labels, all right? This blouse should be 100% cotton, but let me double check. No, this blouse is 100% rayon, all right? It's an extra small. And I want to come up and show you it because this wasn't really clear to me. It's really only eyelet up here, all right? The rest of it is just rayon with a striping in it. And I'm not fond of this little scalloping detail. It kind of reminds me of wearing a bib. I'll try it on, but I thought it was more, when you're looking at black and you're looking at a picture, I thought it was like an eyelet blouse, and it turns out to be just a rayon blouse with a little bit of eyelet detail up atop. And like I said, I'm not really fond of that scalloping there. And I like scalloping. I just not fond of this particular blouse. So that's that. I do want a black eyelet blouse though. It's on the list. Then the next thing that I chose from my preview is, okay, I was really excited about this, is this purse. Now I got a purse last time from them and I really like it. I'm wearing it now. This is the Molly and Lili Leilani woven denim baguette ... All right, and $68, which is a lot of money. I've been looking around for a denim purse, but I would want one like in the $20 or $30 price range. And I've been looking at Marshalls and Target and TJ Maxx. But I said, all right, send it along, because if I really love it, maybe I'll consider it. I get it out, and this thing is teeny tiny. I don't even think I can get my wallet in here. And it's woven on this side, but this side is plain. So I'm kind of disappointed in this, and I know for a fact I'm going to send this back, because this is not a lot. This is, here, I'll show it to you. See, it's teeny tiny. It's not even like, if it were a little bit deeper, maybe I can get my wallet in here, but yeah, no way. And again, I'm disappointed that it wasn't done in the back, and I think this is overpriced for what it is. It's not even faux leather, it's, material denim. So yeah, this is going back, all right? Then the two items that my stylist sent me, all right, again, from my wish list. The first one is this Thread and Supply Tory Romper in burnt orange for $60, which I do not think is a bad price at all. All right, but it's a shorts romper, and today it only got to 75 degrees, and summer's over, so I would get very limited use out of this year. Rompers in general, I don't wear a heck of a lot because of the whole bathroom situation. However, this is like another one. This said Thread and Supply, right? Thread and Supply, or what did it say? It was, Thread and Supply, but the label here says The Weekend. All right, so again, The Weekend Tory Romper. So they need to be like more consistent in their naming their labels. But this is a button front closure. It has a belt. I believe this is Tencel. Let me see if I can find that for you in here somewhere. And I will confirm, but I'm pretty sure it is Tencel. All right, I don't want to waste time. When I try it on, I'll let you know. But yeah, because the season is almost over and it was cold today, I'm like, I threw this in because I wanted to try it on. I was curious, but I just don't see myself keeping this now. And the last thing that they sent me was this necklace. And it was on my list, so nothing wrong with that. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it's silver. It has like almost like a paper chain and these little, I guess, details that shift back here, back and forth. Okay, so they are very cute, but it's something that I need to have. I'm not going to miss this if I send it back. And that is my box. So give me a minute and I'll do a try on for you. Okay, I have 4 of the 5 items I'm wearing now. So I don't think I told you about the necklace. The necklace is Marlyn Schiff, the Chelsea chain necklace in silver. Price is $46. I kind of think that's kind of expensive too, right? For, you know, I mean, some costume jewelry I think might be worth this, but I don't know. I mean, it's cute. I mean, I like it, but not enough to spend money on, to be honest with you. So it's going back. The purse, as I said, is just way too small. It is cute, like, but I just can't. And again, $68 for this tiny thing, they're out of their mind. And I don't like the fact that they just did one side in the, you know, weave. That kind of defeats the whole purpose. So yeah, no to this. No to the necklace. The top, I think I could do better on the top too. So it is eyelet. You would have to wear like it's like a black bra with it. I'm wearing a new bra. It does come down a little bit low, but not so low that I can't wear it. I do like the V-neck. I do like the buttons down the front. I was hoping for something all eyelet. And even if this was, I don't like the scalloping here. It almost seems, I don't know, I just don't like it. And the sleeves are elasticized here. They're, for me, a half sleeve, but that I kind of like, because you won't wear black in the heat of the summer. You might wear it like in 70-something degrees, and this kind of protects you from the sun, you know, your arm from the sun. So I do like the sleeves. If this were all eyelet, or maybe if the design of the eyelet was a little different, I would keep this. But I personally think I can find something I enjoy a little bit more than this. And the jeans, they are definitely going back. First, they're too tight, which is a little bit unusual for Liverpool, number one. And number two, they're below my belly button, which is really unusual because I'm only 5'2". So when they're below my belly button, to me, that's like a low rise. And when things aren't in petite and they're below my belly button, that means there's really a low rise in other people. So that's a no for one. And like I said, number two, they're a little bit tight, and you can see it puckering a little bit, and they're also very long on me. So these are an easy no too, because they just aren't really a great fit for me. So yeah, all those 4 items are going back, and give me a minute and I will try on the romper. Okay, last up is the romper. It's by Thread and Supply, or the Weekend, whatever you prefer, and it definitely is 100% tencel. So the positives, I overall like the style of this romper. I like the button down, I like the pockets, I like the little tie waist to define my waist, I like the length of it. However, it's just ill-fitting, and I guess a little bit too big on me. And it's fine in the leg and up to my waist. The waist hits me correctly, the length is a nice length. I'm short-waisted, and there's just too much extra fabric here, so it kind of looks like sloppy. Like this needs to be up like this. So as you can see, there's just a little bit too much fabric in the top, and then on top of that, you can't even see my bra right here because it's just overall too big. Like I said, this needs to be up like this, and then we would be fine. And as you can see, it is 100% tenseled and a wrinkled mess. And I have a romper. I do have to steam and iron it, but it's not like this one. I can see being very, very high maintenance, and that's the last thing that I want in a summer outfit. So while I do like the color and everything, and the other romper I got at Marshall's for like 30 bucks. So even though I don't think 60 bucks is a bad price for a romper because it's a one and done outfit, when I have my other one at 30 bucks, that one's sounding better, if that makes sense. Especially for the limited times I would be wearing a romper. So don't get me wrong, I don't think 60 is a bad price. It's just not something I am willing to pay right now, especially in this time of year. Maybe if I didn't have a romper already, I might consider it, but right now, especially because summer's almost over, the answer is no. So this is going back for multiple reasons. And that is my fix. So, you know, I've been pretty lucky the last couple fixes of getting things that I just can't pass up, but I feel I can pass everything up in this one and send it all back. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I'm free. Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. And take care. Till next time.